हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर्ड लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बिल्डिंग टॉप टियर मार्केट इंटेलिजेंस स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। Madison Blask on Tuesday, September 27, 2022. Reading time 10 minutes. After watching the new Amazon Meets Middle Earth show last week, it's good dedicated to watch the extended cuts of the Lord of the Rings movies. 10 plus hours of whimsy and brainstorm. What a delightful way to spend a rainy Saturday. On Saturday, after walking my dogs, I sat down to write this blog post, and the first thought that popped into my head was Srion, the omnipotent oligarch, the malevolent Melispus, Ali incarnate, will be really good at market intelligence. Think about it. Market intelligence encompasses any and all industry related information about by gathering a broad suite of data on competitor, customers, prospect, partners, suppliers, distributors, and regulars. You can operate from a position of omniscience. Suren has space and logins and saying tunes and 24 carat bands of corporate if knowledge it is powered. I challenge you to name one entity functional or otherwise more capable of knowing in any everything and acting on it than that fairy eye floating above a jagged black tower. Is this post will define market intelligence and how it differs from terms with which it's often used interchangeably, how to gather and apply it, and some of the tools that make doing so a damn sight easier to probably won't be as good as Tolkien's chief antagonist, but I am confident we can get you pretty slow close. Complete like you mean if get a demo of carry on. Market intelligence definition. Market intelligence is the uh, aggregation and analysis of custom competitor product and market data. Business get our market intelligence for a variety of reasons: risk mitigation and informed decision making are probably at the top of that list. Will it's inherently broad, it's by no means a catch-all term. In fact, market intelligence often used sympathizes is with a business intelligence, competitive intelligence, and market research. Thought there are key used differences between these four terms: market intelligence versus business intelligence. Business intelligence is self reflective, it's the process of aggregating and analyzing data about your business. Then, said business intelligence is analyzed and used to guide future efficiencies, opportunities, and ultimately business growth. Market intelligence versus competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence, CI, called very well be renamed market intelligence competitor edition. It's the process of tracking, analyzing, and acting on data related to business you compete with directly or indirectly. For customers, this differs from market intelligence because you gauge it focus specifically on competitors. You aren't going to consider the overall business landscape. You aren't going to be internally focused unless it's in the context of a future comparison. You looking for a weakness so that you can run circle around your rival. Market intelligence versus market research. Market research refers to the aggregation of analysis of data in a pursuit of a marketing strategy. If you were a pre-seed startup pitching investors, your deck would have a slide outlining your total addressable market TAM serviceable addressable markets SAM and serviceable obtainable market SOM. The logic used to build this slide is a perfect example of market research. To understand an opportunity, you need to know the size and makeup of that opportunity. Market research is how you get there. What is market intelligence software? You know what a market intelligence is and what is its. What tools are you supposed to use together and act on it? Excellent question. What is market intelligence software? For our friends at G2, market intelligence software gathers publicity available information about companies and individuals from a variety of sources and uses it to create records or combine it with exciting CRM data, contact information, locations, financial recent news, and press releases are typical data resource mined for information and linked to the record. This combined profile provides companies with a more complete view of current and potential customer identities, market opportunities, and informed decision making. With that in mind, here are a few of our favorite market intelligence tools you never believe. Number 4, market intelligence software for understanding the market landscape. Similarable delivers cross-device strategic insights like no other. They collect more than 10 billion signal a day and have a team of more than 200 data scientists. SimilarWeb allows you to analyze market trends in real time so that you can take action when it matters most, not a quarter later. Market intelligence software for customer research. Dovetail lets you analyze the synthesize, store, and share customer research in one collaborative and researchable platform fast. It's a transcription and taking functionality that you gather and sort qualitative customer insights, distilling your finding based on a times limitless combination of observation, enabling you to uncover themes in unstructured data, then share them with your team. Dovetail is great for identifying pain point and aha moment your customer experience के data points that can be used across myriad modes on market intelligence. Market intelligence software for revenue intelligence. Gong. It's no secret we love Gong, and yes, we have an integration. It's a fundamental tool for capturing data about competitors, customers, and overall market sentiment straight from the horse mouth. When Gong AI recognizes a competitor in conversation with prospect and customer carry on, automatically sends a battle card packed with rich competitive intel directly to sell your sales reps inboxes. This is great, but it's also a phenomenal tool in the aggregate a way for you to observe the volume and sentiment ascribed it to specific competitors. Market intelligence software for competitive intelligence carry on. You had to have seen this one coming from a mile away. Carrion is the boost in class competitive intelligence tool, and will competitive intelligence the only fact facet of market intelligence. It's cardinally an important one. Carrion allows you to track the full depth breadth of your competitors' digital footprints, empowering you to own a significant strategic advantage. The market intelligence process three super simple steps. Step 1, aggregation. As established above, market intelligence is a broad term. You are never just going to sit down with the goal of doing a market intelligence. Instead, you need to enter your market integration with a specific goal. The set of quantitative data required to achieve that goal. Let's say your goal is to help your product team determine which new feature to prioritize on the roadmap. The goal part of the team is in love with the idea of a budget forecasting tool, but their counterparts are pushing for a banner ad creator. You're going to want an understanding of the competitive landscape, customer needs, pricing for set features. Taking this crucial step will help you region in the scope of your market intelligence research, which is imperative as you begin aggregating data. Now it's time to gather your market intelligence. Returning to our new feature example above, this might involve customer interviews, current product using metrics, feature comparison, charts, budgeting, internal and pricing, external research, and more. Step 2, number 2, analysis. Once you have pulled your market intelligence together, it's time to search your for insights. If we thinking about this in the context of our few future research, let's say your customer interviews, market research, and competitive analysis uncover empirical evidence that suggests your best option is to begin work on the budget forecasting tool instead of a banner ad creation tool. Why? Despite the fact that it take for more sprint, the customer interviews you conducted revealed that most of the people paying you are using Canva to quickly integrate on ads and would see much value from a creative tool. The price sensitivity survey you conducted led you to believe that there's money to be made in forecasting. And finally, you noticed that in your particular niche, there is a solid budget forecasting tool. Everyone uses junky spreadsheets or tries to square peg around all their way to competence where tools build for a different use case. Now, what? Step 3, activation. Time to do something with all that refined market intel. You pitch your product and the team on your findings, and with their data backed by in begin working on the messaging, positioning, and GTM strategy for the budget forecast tool. Never lose sight of your competitive landscape with Cania Crayons market intelligence software. Whether you are going deep on a single competitor or painting a holistic picture of your market crayon can help gather the data you need to not the noise you don't. What are you waiting for? Schedule your demo today. Compete like you mean it. Request a customized demo of a crayon and find out how it empowers mid-sized and enterprise business to build sustainable advantages in their markets. Madison Blask. Madison Blask is a content marketing senior specialist at Carrion, where the creates compelling content that converts prior to joining Carrion. Madison worked as a senior copywriter at CXG Studio, a proudly woman-owned creative agency based in Boston, MA. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय.